So hi guys, welcome back for another live session. Today we are going to talk to Jatin Pandit and his son Rahul.
प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर, प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर, इसकी दवा कर। आंखों के इशारे समझता हूँ मैं सारे, ये मुझसे कह रहे हैं मैं कर लूँ गलतियाँ।
Hi, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good too.
How are you spending this lockdown that's been extended so much?
Honestly, it's getting very boring here. I just want to go out now. But it is what it is. You should stay home. Because you don't want to get that virus, and if you go out, you will just help spread it more.
True.
But it's getting very boring.
Yeah.
I would say these last 2 days now was like when it clicked for me, and I was like, man, now it's getting long.
True. I mean, like now that the date is like closer, I'm just being anxious, like if they will extend it or not, and that is just like.
I feel like they probably will extend it, just because. Well, here's the thing. It's a good thing if they do. If you think about it, because ऐसा है ना, ये सबको होने वाला तो है ही जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं बन जाता। लेकिन खाली अगर सब लोग थोड़ा घर पे रहें तो एक साथ बहुत लोगों को नहीं हो जाएगा। तो एक साथ बहुत लोगों को हो जाएगा तो फिर अपनी कंट्री जो है उसमें इतना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तो है नहीं कि वो संभाल पाए इतने सारे बीमार लोग। तो अच्छा ही है रखें तो, लेकिन जो है सो है।
You've been really creative. The song, I heard the song. It's pretty beautiful. It's so short, so nicely. How did the idea come up?
Well, my dad had wrote this song and he was singing it in his music room. तो I came and I was like, पापा ये तो बहुत अच्छा गाना है, ये बहुत अच्छा थॉट है, तो आप इसको कंप्लीट कीजिए, मैं इसको प्रोड्यूस कर दूंगा। हमने वो किया और बहुत अच्छा बन गया था। तो मैंने कहा चलिए हम इसको शूट कर लेते हैं टेरेस पे ही और डाल देते हैं यूट्यूब पे, क्योंकि अच्छा गाना है, बहुत अच्छा मैसेज है।
True.
बस।
Nice. I think that was a really good idea. So how did you shoot? Like you're at your home, there are two people working on the song. So how did the shooting and all happen?
It's nothing fancy at all. Yeah, we literally went out on the terrace at like 5:30, and I said, "Papa, आप एक बार ये पूरा गाइए lip sync करके, और फिर मैं गा दूँगा." फिर we just edited it and it was done. So it was very simple. There was really nothing insanely creative when it came to the shoot.
Nice. That was like, I think the cover and all are like quite appealing. Like once you see the cover and you see the title of the song, Prabhu Humko Kshama Kar, you're like, okay, what is it about? And people would love to listen to it. So it's a great job. I think you've done a great job there.
Thank you. Yeah.
So what is your process like when you listen to these lyrics and you have to sing the song? What is your process? How do you work towards this?
It's fairly straightforward, to be honest. When you hear a song, like every song sort of has a blueprint, I guess. You know what you are supposed to put into it to make it sound like the sort of song it is. If it's a party song, you'll put bigger kicks, you put bigger snares, you put in plugs and stuff like that. This is more of like a prayer type thing. So right off the bat, you know कि हाँ थोड़ा Indian rhythm डालना है. Smooth से flute थोड़े डाल दिए, pads वगैरह डाले, Indian percussions डाले. So, but yeah, as you said, it came out very nice. When I heard it, I felt like, this is something that really touches you and moves you. So I was like, इसको तो shoot करना है. It's a very good thing for.
I think I'll request you to sing a little bit for us, like a few.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you guys go check this song out on YouTube. It's called Prabhu Humko Kshama Kar. प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर, प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर, महामारी जो छाई है इसकी दवा कर, इसकी दवा कर, प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर, प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर.
Nice. It's so soothing to the ears. I think a lot of people would love to listen to this on loop. So
Yeah, I
yeah, yeah. You say.
well, no, I think just the message, yeah. I think the message is so good, like, because really at this point, you know what I saw this morning? To me, right now, the country that is really handling it the best is
Yeah.
probably America. और आज उनके व्हाइट हाउस में अपेरेंटली किसी सीनियर आदमी को हो गया है. तो मैं
Yeah, yeah.
ऐसे मदर्स डे पे सुबह सुबह मैं ये देखा, मैं बोला यार इनके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, तो माने सही मायनों में ऐसे एज अ कंट्री वो लोग सबसे स्ट्रांग है. वो लोग भी नहीं संभाल पा रहे, तो ऐसे
Yeah.
कौन क्या करें. तो बस भगवान आप हम सबके लिए अच्छा कर दीजिए. और क्या, तो बहुत करेक्ट मैसेज है इसका.
So like
बहुत स्वीट
this,
गाना तो नहीं.
true. So this idea, like making this song about coronavirus or this pandemic, was this like a conscious effort by your father and you, or मतलब it just happened? Like it just like was कि हाँ चल
It really wasn't, yeah. It really wasn't.
Yeah.
It was, you know, obviously, I guess when you have something as severe as this going around, you will constantly think of it subconsciously. And like for me and my father, we are both musicians. This is what we do sort of every day. I think it
Yeah.
all just sort of came together and came out very well. So I wouldn't say that we were trying to just make a song specifically for coronavirus.
Mm-hmm.
We just subconsciously came out with it. Because, like always, honestly, me and my dad, we make songs every day.
Nice.
But this one just happened. We were like, this thing works and this thing is really genuine. We should work on it for sure.
Where is Jatin? So we were expecting him.
Jatin
also.
sir will be here very soon. He's
Yeah.
probably just,
Okay.
yeah, he'll be here.
So let's just talk about you. Like singing, was this something that you've always wanted to do, or you had some alternate ideas as well about your profession or career?
You know, people ask me this a lot, and now I have a very good answer for it. It's like, you know, when you're in college and when you're a little bit older and you reach that point in your life where you're like, man, I have to figure out what I want to do. That happened for me as well, and I always used to sing well. So I said, yeah, I should probably do this only. See, if you ever pick a career now, Jatin ji's here. So you should pick something that you are good at and you can do well with a little bit of ease. So I could always sing well with not a lot of stress and
Hello.
stuff.
Hello, sir. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good, all good.
Yeah. So
How are
we
you
were
at
just
home or you're going?
yeah, home only. Where will I be?
Okay.
So yeah, we were just talking to Rahul about his passion for singing. So we were just
Yes.
telling how he just got into singing. Now we'll just ask you a question about the lyrics. The lyrics are so meaningful. How did you come up with this? How did the idea of this song come up that you would want to put these lyrics?
Acha, this prayer.
Yeah.
हाँ, प्रभु.
Yeah, what happened? A friend of mine from Toronto, he was planning a film.
Yeah.
So he said, Jatin ji, please make a very romantic song because
Yeah.
you people are good in making romantic song. So I was sitting, I was trying this romantic song, but somehow my focus was not getting, too accurate with the situation.
Yeah.
And there was some other thing going around in my mind, like the current situation. People are having so much of problem,
True.
there's so much of everywhere you have to be at home and
Yeah.
you cannot go out, and so much of crisis in the world now. So I thought, okay, why not to make a song in this situation right now and
Yeah.
ask help from nobody but from Almighty. That's what my concept. And I started, and really trust me, I didn't work one bit hard on this. It just came like a river flow,
Yeah.
like fountain. And
Yeah.
and with the lyrics, it's not that I wrote first I wrote made the tune and then wrote. No, it just came like it was flowing from. So when the song was nearly in completion, my son came, Rahul, and he said, "Papa, what are you?" I'm trying to make this song on particular situation we are facing. So he said, "It's very nice. It sounds quite divine to me." And that divine word, it
Yeah.
made me, he's the generation when he can react like this.
True.
Surely people will react positive to it. And then we completed, and Rahul Jatin, that's his name, he produced the song completely, all alone, because we cannot go out.
True.
So he produced the song, then we sang, and then my wife also got involved, and she did a lot of insertion and making it sound authentic, and the requirement, whatever insertions you want to do, she did it. So it's complete home production.
Nice. That is a very good thing. I mean, I saw the song, and I think the current situation, if you're making such a song, it's such a relief. Like, such a soothing song. So I think all the generations would be loving it. I think the response is great. So how are you feeling? How you both are feeling about the response that the song is getting?
If anybody likes your work, you feel good only, yeah. So I'm happy about it.
Yeah, see, my point is, not to get anything publicity out of it. My point is that we all have done something wrong somewhere in our life. Yeah. I'm not talking about you people because you're too young. But people who are more than 50 years, probably they must have hurt somebody or something. So God should forgive all of them. That is my point. And then that's what people liking it, because it's honesty is always appreciated.
That's a beautiful thought. So I think now I will have to request you to sing the song again. I'm sorry. Both of you, I would love to listen to the voices of both of you.
Okay, you.
प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर, प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर, महामारी है, महामारी जो छाई है, इसकी दवा कर, इसकी दवा कर, प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर, प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर.
Nice. Wow.
यहाँ है लोग इतने के तबाही होगा, गरीबों को न खाना है, कोरोना हो तो क्या होगा, कोरोना हो तो क्या होगा, कहाँ जाए पता कर, कहाँ जाए पता कर, महामारी जो छाई है, इसकी दवा कर, इसकी दवा कर, प्रभु हमको क्षमा कर, हमको क्षमा कर.
Wow, thank you for that. Rahul told us that the song you guys have shot like at home, like amongst each other. How was that experience for you?
To shot, हमने shoot किया था, take किया था.
Yeah, see, some family friend, he heard it, was also very excited. He said, shoot somewhere where you see the globe below you. You should be above the globe, so that the whole scenario is so.
Yeah.
It will have more, answer to the player.
I mean, he just suggested that do it somewhere where you can see a lot of things in the background. Don't do it in a closed room or something.
Yeah.
In a terrace.
Exactly. That is what he said was.
So, but yeah, आपको कैसा लगा था shoot वगैरह?
I whatever Rahul did, mine, and my wife was also there. She was also helping, and then we went on top of the water tank.
Yeah. Wasn't that?
It was quite dangerous, No, actually, it's because it's a 22nd floor now. When you 23rd floor on the water tank.
Oh God.
So, but anyway, it was we did it very carefully, and there was some shots from the top.
Nice.
So the more you closer go to the, you might hear.
taking a risk there. So sir,
Yeah.
I mean, जो भी लोग आए हैं वो गाने सुनने आए हैं. So I was just requested to request you to sing a song like one of your favorite all-time songs. And then Rahul, it's your turn. We're asking you also. So be prepared.
Yeah.
है काश के हम होश में अब आने ना पाए, है काश के हम होश में अब आने ना पाए,
बस नगमे तेरे प्यार के गाते ही जाए,
है काश के हम होश में अब आने ना पाए. खिलती महकती ये जुल्फों की शाम, हंसते खनकते ये होठों के जाम,
खिलती महकती ये जुल्फों की शाम, हंसते खनकते ये होठों की जाम,
आ झूम के साथ आए, बस नगमे तेरे प्यार के गाते ही जाए,
है काश के हम होश में अब आने ना पाए,
हो बस अगर तुम हमारे सनम, हम तो सितारों पे रख दे कदम,
हो बस कर तुम हमारे सनम, हम तो सितारों पे रख दे कदम,
सारा भूल जाए, बस नगमे तेरे प्यार के गाते ही जाए,
है काश के हम होश में अब आने ना पाए,
है काश के हम होश में अब आने ना पाए.
Wow, that was so nice. Thank you for making our afternoon so musical. So Rahul, आपके लिए request है, Mother's Day है आज. So if you could just dedicate one song to all the mothers, what would that be?
Yeah,
क्या हो जाता है?
नहीं मैंने नहीं किया है.
अच्छा.
Acha, there's one old song of Aji. I, as much as I remember, I'll sing it. But it's very cute. You guys should check it out. तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, है कांटों का तू फुलवारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ,
बच्चों की जान होती है, माँ बच्चों की जान होती है, वो होते हैं किस्मत वाले जिनके माँ होती है, बड़ी सुंदर है, बड़ी शीतल है, प्यारी प्यारी है,
ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ.
Wow, that is like one of the
Actually,
favorite songs
one
that
song I had composed.
Yes, sir.
I have composed one song, and I had told Rahul to just memorize it, but somehow he was occupied, and
Yeah.
I'll try and make him sing along with me. Huh?
Yeah,
He'll
yeah.
make mistake, but that is so.
Yeah, okay.
तेरे ही अक्स में नजर आता है, ऐ माँ भगवान मुझे
तेरे ही अक्स
बाबा।
में नजर आता है, ऐ माँ भगवान मुझे।
मैं मंदिर जाऊं या तुझे ही पूजूं माँ,
मैं मंदिर जाऊं या तुझे ही पूछूं माँ,
तू बता मुझे, तू बता मुझे, तेरे ही अक्स में नजर आता है, ऐ माँ भगवान मुझे।
Wow, wow, what lyrics! What I just am in love with both of your voices. Please keep singing, please keep entertaining us. Lastly, I have just one question. What would you like? Or you already have given
Yeah.
a very big message to all of your fans, but one thing you would want to like to say to your fans right now.
I think just stay home.
Yeah,
Just stay
Yeah.
home till this gets over, because it's the easiest thing to do and it's probably the most effective.
you know, somebody told me very nice thing. I was watching in the TV. It was some doctor. He said the primary thing is to save your life. If you save your life, you can save your life of your near ones, dear ones. You can help them. So the most important factor is to stay alive, and to stay alive, you have to be at home. You'll have some problems. You will like to go out. You will like to come to the everyday mode, but that you can do it once the corona subsides. But right now, it is best thing is to do. Believe me, I am also helping my wife. I'm just doing whatever possible within my reach, but I'm not going out.
Nice.
All three of us are there at home since last 45 days now, or maybe more than that.
Yeah, which is good, I think. So I think just
Yeah.
last thing, Chintan Doshi and Vidit Mehta have said hi to you, and obviously they loved the session, so they're just thanking you for that.
Thank you. I know who Chintan is.
Oh, nice. So yeah, thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you for
Just one last, one last song,
Yes, sir.
song, which is also for the mother, and it is a very, very well written song. You know, I
Absolutely.
always admire this song. It is from a very old film,
Yeah.
and the film was called Dadi Ma.
Okay.
Yeah. आप भी साथ में गाना बेटा, आप फॉलो करो देखो। हाँ, उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी, पर इसकी जरूरत क्या होगी।
उसको नहीं
देखा हमने कभी, पर उसकी जरूरत क्या होगी। ऐ माँ तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की सूरत क्या होगी, क्या होगी। उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी।
Wow, thank you for entertaining us. This is such a lovely session. One of my best sessions that I've enjoyed a lot. I am in love with
Oh,
your
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I hope you liked it too. And I hope I see you in person really soon.
Did you hear my son's song, that the one which has become very popular?
Which one, sir?
आपने गाया था?
आंखों के इशारे समझता हूँ मैं सारे, ये मुझसे कह रहे हैं मैं कर लूँ गलतियाँ। आंखों के इशारे समझता हूँ मैं सारे, ये मुझसे कह रहे हैं मैं कर लूँ गलतियाँ। नशे में शरीफी की बातों से काम लेना तो बड़ा मुश्किल है। आंखों के इशारे समझता हूँ मैं सारे, ये मुझसे कह रहे हैं मैं कर लूँ गलतियाँ। You can check this song out on YouTube. I think it has like
Yeah, he's
2.2.
danced also very well, and he's done.
Nice. I'll check it. I
Yeah.
haven't heard it. I'll check it now. And I
Oh,
hope
then you should
keep
for
making-
sure. It's a very nice song. And
Yeah, I will.
I've
Absolutely.
danced
I
and done a
hope
lot of goofy things in it.
Nice. I hope you keep making more songs and entertaining us. And so you too.
Yeah.
And I hope to see you more of you on Instagram, on YouTube, and everywhere. And please take care of yourselves. And yeah,
You too, you too.
I'll see you in person.
Take care of your parents, your mom today.
Yeah, I sir actually live alone. I'm not from here. My mom's back in my hometown. So
Okay.
anyway,
Thank you so
so
much.
much for your time. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, 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 everyone.
Bye. So that was Jatin Saw and his son Rahul for you. If you guys liked this live or missed any parts of this musical session, please go back to our YouTube page. We will be posting this live soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this live. I did. I loved listening to them. And thank you for joining in. Thank you for coming back with every live. Those people who come back every time. And I hope you are liking these lives. And yeah, please come back for other lives as well. Take care. Go to our YouTube page. Check out our videos. And bye bye.